All right, this is a word problem. What valid n makes the equation 5 times 2n minus 15 equals 25 true? When you see that in the question, they're asking you to solve the n. In this case, we have to use distribution property to remove the parentheses. So I'm going to end up multiplying everything in the parentheses by 5. So 5 will times the first term, which is 2n, and then 5 times the second term, which is negative 15. All right? So let's expand this out. So we have 5 times 2n, that is 10n, minus 5 times 15 is 75, and that is equal to 25. All right? I'm going to put a box around my 10n, and I want to see what operation is acting on it. I see there's a subtraction, there's a minus 15. And so to do the inverse of that, I have to add 75. To do that, I plus 75 on both sides. Let me draw my line in the middle. Okay? And 75 cancels out, negative 75 plus positive 75 cancels out. I bring down my 10n. And on the right side, I have 25 plus 75, that is 100. The 10n is a multiplication operation. The inverse of that is division. So I'm going to divide by 10 to get n by itself. All right, the 10 cancels out, and that leaves n. On the right side, I have 100 divided by 10, and that is 10. Therefore, the valid n is 10. Now, to make sure that my answer is correct, all I have to do is substitute n equals 10 back into the original equation. And so let me write it on the right side here. The equation is 5 times 2n minus 15 equals 25. So let me go ahead and substitute n in this equation, and both sides of the equation should equal to each other. So 5, it's going to be 5 times 2 times n, which is 10, minus 15 equals 25. That's going to give me 5. 2 times 10 is 20, minus 15 equals 25. 20 minus 15 is 5, and that is 5 times equals 25. 25 is on my left side, 25 is on my right side. Okay? So that tells me that my answer of n equals 10 is correct.